your car. It's more than just a ride helping you to get to work, go to the store, or pick up the kids. It also keeps you safe on the road while providing reliable transportation. Your car is one of the most important assets that you own. So why not take care of your vehicle the way it takes care of you? Protect yourself and your investment from breakdowns and expensive repairs by maintaining your vehicle's critical serpentine, timing, and cooling systems. Why these systems? All three are critical for your engine's optimum performance. Each system has several major parts. If one part of the system is replaced but not the others, a breakdown may occur that can ruin your engine. Let's learn more about each of these systems. The serpentine system consists of the idler pulley or pulleys, the serpentine belt, the tensioner assembly, and in many cases, an alternator decoupler pulley. This system transmits power to key parts like the alternator and air conditioning compressor. Since each component of the system wears at the same rate, it's recommended the entire system be replaced at the same time to prevent damage. The timing system includes the timing belt, idler pulley or pulleys, tensioner assembly, and, on some systems, a water pump. All of these work together to keep your vehicle from breaking down. The cooling system includes the thermostat, water pump, and radiator hoses. Failure of even one component can cause the entire system to overheat and leave you stranded. Remember, all of the components in a system are engineered to work together and wear at the same rate. According to the Car Care Council's Car Care Guide, the best way to avoid expensive engine repair is to take their advice. Be system smart and replace worn components by 90,000 miles, or as advised by the manufacturer. Stay on the road and enjoy the hassle-free use of your vehicle that preventative maintenance provides. Ask your automotive technician for a free brochure about these systems today.